This is where I need that stand.
Yeah.
This is where I usually help.
Powder first. Yeah.
See this part where I need a hand. There's the vertical.
Oh, you load all 6 first?
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad I brought my
Can't
jacket.
you picture General Custer out in the field doing this with all these stupid Indians running around?
They didn't do this. They just threw that cylinder and got another one. They had preloaded cylinders. And when they were out of shots, they turned around and used it as a club.
Yeah.
See, that's the problem I'm going to have. Those things are going to get crooked.
Yep, of course they are.
And that's where we're going to be shooting at.
Sorry, they're just a spacer. They're not needed to actually fire it. Just takes up space. You can load it without them.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad.
What?
You're shooting it first.
Huh?
You're shooting it first.
I will.
Okay. I'll videotape you.
No problem.